So I know that some of you said you cannot hear the audio because it's view only. So this is what you can do. I mentioned this in class. What you do is you need to make a copy of what I have prepared for you. Either it's AP or IB, and then you will have a copy of your own. You can annotate on your own copy, and then you can put your own notes, change it. It's better. But please, please, please do not distribute it to people outside of our Chinese program. This is Beeson laoshi's hard work. I don't want to have an authorized copy of my work. Okay? 谢谢同学们. Keep it with you. And once you are in the Figjam, so once you click on this file, you should have an option to make a copy. And there's a down arrow, it's right here. There's a duplicate. That's where you go to duplicate. You don't need to ask permission to have edit right on my board, but you can make your own board, copy everything that I already prepared for you, and then you work on your own board. Okay, again, once you're there, you have the big name on the top like this. Click on it and we'll change its shape. You will see a little down arrow on here, and then you will have option to duplicate. Okay, that's how you get it. And then you will be able to listen to the audio that I have prepared for you because it's your own copy. You have all the edit rights you want, and then you can annotate and revise and change. Hope this is helpful. This applies to AP 中文 also 啊。好的，谢谢同学们，再见。